Hi there! We're glad you've joined us to watch this video on how to start your jewelry project on Jewelrythis. Let's get started. To begin, click on the Start Your Project link, then choose the project type. Choose the Produce Only option if you already have your own STL model ready. Otherwise, please choose the Design and Modeling option. Next, upload your sketch and photos. In this example, we want to produce a coil ring. Choose the jewelry type you want and answer the questions you see on the form. The more details and sketches you can provide, the better we will be able to understand your vision. After you've completed the form, click the Next button. Review your project to make sure you didn't forget anything, and click Submit. A quote will be sent to you within the next 24 hours. Remember, during the whole process, you can always go to your dashboard, visit the project, and communicate with us using the messaging board. After you've made your payment, our design team will start working on your project and notify you when the model has been completed. You will be able to review your model using our 3D viewer, give us your feedback, and if desired, request a revision. When you are happy with the result, just complete the project. When you do complete the project, you will be able to order a photorealistic render, which many of our customers see as an excellent sales tool, or continue and order a casting quote by clicking on the Produce button. You will be able to choose the metal, the type of finish you want, and even the diamond quality. Note that as you make these choices, the pricing is automatically updated and the details of your design project is displayed for you to see. Next, proceed to the checkout page and finalize your order. We will then produce, finish your piece, and ship it to you. And that's the whole simple process. We hope you've found this video helpful. And once again, thanks for watching.